Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel SoftEducare. I am Joshim Siddiq. This is a Olympiad math problem. I'll solve this problem and find out the value of x. Let's go start. This is a 9 can write 3 square and whole x whole to the power x and 3 27. Here is a formula. We know that a power n whole n, it may write a to the power n m. This is the exponential formula or indices. Then we may write according to this formula 3x whole square and power and power may multiply 2 and x, it may 3 power 2x equal. We may write 27 as 3 or 3 because 3 multiply 3 and multiply 3, it makes 27. Here is the formula. Base and base, denominator and numerator are base are same, so it may write 3x square minus 2x equal 3 power 3. This formula is all by a equal a power 1. According to this formula we may write this. So the base and the base it may cancel and we may write x square 2x 3 x square 2x minus 3. This equation is applicable for middle terms. We'll broken this middle terms. So we may write this x square 3x plus x. This is the middle terms condition. If we multiply minus 3 and here is a 1, it makes minus 3. But if we subtract or addition minus 3 plus 1 x, it makes minus 2. Then we may common x minus 3, and here is there is no common, but we have to common 1, x minus 3 equal 0. Then the next line may write x minus 3 and x plus 1 equal 0. Then it can write x minus 3 equal 0 or x equal 3, or this terms, another terms, x plus 1 equal 0 or x equal minus 1. The value of x, it stands x equal minus 1 and 3. This is the result. Thanks. Please like, comment and share my video to see another